I like the thickness of these noodles. So these have oil in them.
Yes, this one has
Oh
oil in it.
wait, you know what I do want to try? The birria dumplings. You guys ready? Look at that. I've never had a birria dumpling. Hey, take a look at that. Has scallions. It has that gravy at the bottom. All right, here we go. Mmm. That's so wild.
You know you should do?
What?
Mix it in with your ramen.
What, the birria? No way, I gotta do one more. I gotta enjoy this. Birria dumplings. Unheard of. I think this is the only place in the country that has them. Huh? Talk about unique, huh? Mmm. That is so smart.